So observe the solution here. Put sine inverse x as t. Then you get 1 by root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dtm. Now change the boundaries. Given boundaries with respect to x. Now change boundaries with respect to t. If x is 0, then sine inverse 0 is equal to t, which is 0. Sine inverse 0, 0. Okay. If x is 1 by 2, sine inverse 1 by 2 is t, where t is equal to 30 degrees, that is pi by 6. Okay. Now rewrite the given question by taking t boundaries. Integral for 0 t0 only, for 1 by 2 pi by 6 30 sine 30 pi by 6. For sine inverse x you can take t dx by root 1 and dt. Here x is there. So how to convert this x? Observe here. Sine inverse x is t. Okay. If sine inverse x is t, then what is x? X is a sine t. Okay. Then it is sine t. So clearly the given question converted into 0 to pi by 6. T sine t d. Okay. 0 to pi by 6 t sine t d. Then apply by parts here. Apply by parts. T into integral sine t dt 0 to pi by 2 minus integral 0 to pi by 2 t dash integral sine t dt. Okay, no? By parts for definite. Observe this step carefully. This step itself important here. Okay, how we are writing boundaries, observe that. So what you can get here? T into integral sine t is minus cos t. Boundaries are 0 to pi by 6 only, not pi by 2. 0 to pi by 6 minus integral 0 to pi by 6. T dash means differentiation of t, which is 1. Integral sine t is minus cos t. Now apply boundaries here. Pi by 6 cos pi by 6 minus I am writing here. Next minus of. Okay. Next minus of. T is a lower bound 0. 0 into something 0 only. Okay. In place of t, write upper boundary minus lower bound. So here minus of minus plus integral 0 to pi by 6. What is integral minus of minus plus? What is a cos t? Integration, which is a sin t. Now you can write here minus pi by 6 into cos pi by 6 cos 30, which is root 3 by 2 plus integral cos t is a sin t. Boundaries are 0 to pi by 6 minus pi root 3 by 12 plus sin pi by 6 minus sin 0. Sin 0, 0 only. So minus pi root 3 or root 3 pi by 12 plus sin 30 is 1 by. Okay. Now you can write your answer as 1 by 2 minus root 3 pi by 12. Okay. So 1 by 2 minus root 3 pi by 12. Good question. Here, AME application by parts application, by parts for definite. By parts procedure as it is integration lagane. Kabatti ikkada boundaries ela observe chestunnam observe cheyandi. Okay na, the first step మొత్తానికి boundaries తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కాదు. ఓకే మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్నల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సైన్ కి బౌండరీస్ ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ కే బౌండరీస్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకేనా. సో గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఈజీ వన్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్, జస్ట్ నోట్ ఇట్.